Hi everyone, so it's 15th of August and um, date about today. I studied quants, did a bit of dilr, uh, did varc in the morning. I somehow underutilized my daytime, and that is really crucial for me if I am trying to get at least a good percentile in that. So I am aiming currently is that to complete at least three uh, lectures of 2 hours each in quants and simultaneously complete at least one or two lectures of varc and dilr. So in varc and dilr, I can speed up the lectures because there's not much of a theory or question building to understand. It's more of a guidance sort of thing in DILR and VARC. But in quants, I need to practice questions while watching the video. So even if a 2 hour video, if I watch at 1.5x, it's almost equivalent to 4 hours of me studying. So for 2 hour video, I am spending almost 3 hours of um, studying time and practicing questions. So, and apart from that, I also want to practice questions from the assignment that the teacher has given. So it's a very huge task. And to understand it seriously, I need at least three video lectures to be completed every day. So that's what my target has increased to. Earlier it was two video lectures, but now I have to watch at least three video lectures so that I am on track uh, within 1.5 months to what a regular cat aspirant is at. And then I can pace up my mock giving strategies and can work on increasing my score. So yeah, that's all for today. Hope to see you tomorrow.